This is Samsung Galaxy F54, and today I will show how you can enter and respectively exit the boot mode or bootloader on this device. So first step is to switch off our device, which we can do by simultaneously holding the volume down and power keys like that. So from here, keep your fingers at the volume up and power keys. Do not press or hold, just do not do anything other than holding your finger here. It is just this step is required for you to be able to properly react. So we need to immediately start holding those buttons when the phone is shut down. So do it like that. Then once you see the Samsung logo appears, release the power button. Maybe I've pressed them incorrectly, so let me grab the phone like that. Alrighty, here it is. Now release the power button, but keep holding the volume up key like that. Here is the recovery mode, so on it, use the volume rocker to navigate and power button to apply an option that is currently selected. And here is the reboot to bootloader option. So once it is selected, let's tap at the power button to confirm. Now let's wait for the download or bootloader mode to show. Here it is. So right now you can do everything that you were supposed to be doing here. As you can see, in order to exit the safe mode, you will need to press and hold the volume down key and side key for more than 7 seconds. So let's do that. And when we do this step, we will exit the bootloader, the boot mode, and the smartphone should be rebooted right away and get back to its normal operating state. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.